going on, guys? Antrod here, and welcome to Sound Effects Session 11! What? No applause?
You getting the applause for taking so long to release a sound effect session! It's been 9 months!
Has it really been 9 months?
Yes, it's been 9 months.
What? Really? 9 months? Really? Really?
Yes! 9 months!
Okay, alright, fair enough. Hate needed.
Are you growing facial hair?
I have facial hair, I just need to shave.
You're a horrible YouTuber!
Yeah, I deserved that one. Anyways, I know, it has been so long since I have released a sound effect session, but we're going to get right into it. I've got a total of 11 sounds here that we're going to go ahead and do and get started on. 11 sounds and the 11th session. I hope your Valentine's Day was great. Mine was pretty good. I just kind of sat at home and chilled out.
Yeah, because we know you don't have a date.
How do you know? I might have somebody.
No, let's face it, you don't have anybody. Nobody wants a guy who makes noises for a living.
Especially ones where you have to spit everywhere to make them.
Even if it is music.
Hi! I make noises! I'm attractive because of my sound effects! I do beatboxing, meaning I spit everywhere when I make noises! Yeah, really attractive.
You guys are hurtful. All the time.
We know.
Yeah, we know. Let's say we're down to the fact that you took 9 months to release a sound effect session. YouTuber, great YouTuber.
Now that the depression has kicked in, thanks to these two, I'm going to go ahead and just do a sound effect session. If I don't smile that much, now you know. It's blame these guys. These guys are, you know...
So nice. Yep, so great.
Yeah, fantastic.
Anyways, those of you who are new to a sound effect session, I have asked you guys for a total of 11 sounds, and we're going to go do them all right here on camera. 11 sounds in one session.
Wait a minute.
What?
Well, I have a little bit of a secret.
What?
Well, I figured we could do something a little bit different.
Different how?
Oh no.
Well, it's the 11th session, and usually there's 11 sounds, so I thought maybe we could do a total of 22.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I thought we could also do it timed.
Oh no.
Okay, alright, wait. I understand you're trying to get back at him for taking 9 months to release this thing, but let's just do it in like 5 minutes.
But that's worse!
No, that's actually really good. That's very good. 5 minutes, put 5 minutes on the clock.
When did you guys become so mean?
When you made us, question mark?
Oh, fair enough. And the clock's still ticking. Okay, change of plans. Usually, I shout your name out, give you a shout out, but because we're going to be doing a total of 22 sounds in under 5 minutes, thanks. We're not going to be doing shout outs. We're just going to be going from sound to sound to sound as fast as we can to try and get 22 sounds in under 5 minutes. Let's do this thing. There's a couple of them here that I haven't mastered completely, but the point of these sound effect sessions is to kind of embarrass myself on camera for you guys, so full on embarrassment warning as we continue on from here. So the first one we have for today is Scooby-Doo. Water power first. What?
What the heck is that?
It's water.
Why is it so large?
Why is it so large? You've got, first it was a coffee cup and now it's water.
Just water.
But why such a big bump?
Why can't you just be a normal person and get regular sized water bottle?
Because it's water and I need it. Ready? I can't get his laugh. We're gonna try that again. Ready? That was closer. Woo! Rosex! The next song we have for today is going to be Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Next one. Let's go.
I will let the baby. Hi, baby. Welcome to Elmo's world.
That laugh was scary.
Why are you making fun of my laughter?
Because that laugh was scary. Do I really sound like that?
That was Elmo.
What?
The next one we have for today, PewDiePie.
You got a problem with PewDiePie?
No, I don't watch him that much.
Who's PewDiePie?
PewDiePie's a YouTuber.
One of the most highest paid YouTubers, I think.
Oh, okay.
Shout out to PewDiePie. Here we go.
PewDiePie!
The next one we have is a Woodpecker.
What's this? What's this supposed to mean? What's this?
Like the woodpecker, you know, like eating at the wood.
Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense.
The next one we have is going to be one I have been trying to do for a while. It's going to be Stitch. Water power as usual.
Punch buggy. No punch back.
I think one of my favorite things that he's ever done in the Lilo and Stitch movies has been when he's like said yes to Jumba in that one scene in the very first movie. You think you're gonna get on my ship just like that?
If.
I love that. I don't know why. He's just like, yes. The next one we have is, oh, I dropped my pencil. The next one we have is going to be an elevator.
Yeah, go into an elevator and hit every single button on the way out.
Yep, I would do it, and I would get so kicked out of that building. Next one we have is going to be a car engine.
That was really good.
Yes. Congratulations. Hand clap.
What's up with the hand claps thing? I never understood that.
Hand clap. It's hand clapping. It's hand clapping.
Okay, all right, relax. The next one we got is a spider shooter. Next one we have is an air raid siren.
This sounds like the tornado siren.
It kind of does. It counts because it's a different siren, but yeah, in a way, it's the same kind of thing. The next one we have is a stapler.
When you're trying to figure out how to live life day by day.
Or when you're trying to figure out how to imitate a stapler with no paper.
Pretty much, yeah. Perfectly put. The next one we have is going to be a toaster. Put the toast in, you put the toast in like that, and then you go. Or you have those other toasters.
Oh, what happened there?
I think the toaster jumped out of the toaster oven.
That's never happened in real life.
Yes, it has. It's happened a couple times in real life. Next one we have is going to be breathing Vader while fighting. I hope that works. The next one we have is another famous YouTuber that's probably going to beat me up if he ever sees me in real life for trying to do his voice. But his name is Jacksepticeye. Please, somebody, I can do Markiplier really, really well. In the comments, come do Markiplier. I want to embarrass myself more. Let's get a little bit louder. Brace yourselves. Top of the world, you lies. My name is Jacksepticeye. Welcome back to this horrible video and you gotta do my voice. I can't do an Irish accent. The next one we have is gonna be... Oh, gosh, they went there.
What's the matter?
Yeah, what's up? What's the next sound?
Embarrassingly, diarrhea.
What? Diarrhea?
I feel so bad for you. I also feel very bad for the user's ears.
Yeah, full warning. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I don't like doing these videos. Oh!
So this is why? Because you have to embarrass yourself?
Don't you do that daily by walking out of the house?
Please stop. Oh, okay, I need a minute. Okay, I've recovered. The next one we have is going to be Grover. I personally couldn't find any famous all-time quotes from Grover. So yeah, bear with me. I don't really know what to do with this guy. My name is Grover. I'm going to help you. Be Grover. Sorry, very old Grover. I don't know how to do Grover. Minus 500 points. He is not a voice I can do. The next one we have is going to be a bass drum. Let's do it. Bass drum. Next sound. Next one we got is a horror movie scream. A horror movie what? Horror movie scream?
Yeah, you know, horror movie scream, like when somebody gets scared and they scream.
Ah! Horror movie scream. Next one we have is a Pooh character. Every sound effect system I have to do a Pooh character. Today, we're gonna go ahead and do the was he a beaver? Was it a beaver in Pooh?
No. It was a gopher.
Yeah, it was a gopher.
Are you sure it was a gopher? Alright, gopher it is. Say, what's wrong, Sonny? You got yourself a headache? And honey. I liked that guy in the movies. He was so funny and so mean. Next one we got is an idling Chevy. That's kind of like how it sounds. It's not like a clicking engine. It was interesting to try and figure out. So the next one we got is a ham hitting a table.
Ham hitting, what?
That's weird.
Yeah, it's a ham hitting a table. I don't know. It's a ham, which is a big chunk of meat hitting a table. Well, it's also weight on the bottom. ham hitting a table. And ladies and gentlemen, the last sound we have for 22 sounds in this sound effects session is going to be Ferb. I'll never understand fashion. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. A total of 22 sounds in this sound effects session 11. Hope you enjoyed it. I think we did it under 5 minutes. Oh. Yeah, that's close enough. We got it to 5 minutes, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this comeback to sound effects sessions. They will be coming back. Next one should be in April, and that should be super interesting considering the next Avengers Endgame is coming out in April. In the comments below, definitely request like different voices, different sound effects, you know, from the Avengers movie. That would be super dope to do a sound effects session 12 Avengers initiative. Or, I don't know, it'd be kind of interesting. Maybe superhero based. Every other month will be a sound effects session. But anyways, thank you guys so much for your support. Take it away, high pitch and deep voice.
Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
How about we just both do it? Jump around.
Okay, I like the idea.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a comment of your next sound.
Also, feel free to visit Antrod's social media areas.
Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
And keep an eye out for the next sound effects session poster where you can leave your sound request.
Yeah, and also like the video, share it, check out the channel, and if you're interested in joining him and different videos and such, be sure to check out Public Made Public, which will also be in the description below.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully Antrod will make another sound effects session sooner than 9 months.
That wasn't cool. You didn't have to add that.
Yeah, we definitely did.
Anyways, thank you guys so much. You heard these guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing the next ones coming out. Antrod out.
I got one more thing I want to say. I wanted to ask, have you been using those weights I gave you?
No, I have not.
Come on, admit it. You've used them at least once.
I have not. That's a pencil with tape on the other side of it.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's hard to lift.
It's pencil. Do you really think I'm that skinny?
Yep.
Yes.